I got my Paletteful packs box for March. And let's open it up and do something with it. It's a little bit, it's not heavy, it's a little bit lighter, I think, than past ones. So. Oh, oil paint. Water mixable oil paint. That's the stuff. Is that what I have? That might be the other stuff I have. Well, this will be a challenge. Ah, Della-Rowney. I can't stand them. Why is there so much of their stuff in here? All right. Well, we'll give it a shot. So there's white, cadmium yellow, crimson alizarin. Does it tell you on the back? I can't read it. Ah, see, if you just open it. French ultramarine, viridian hue, and yellow ochre. So those colors. So they're water mixable. I think that's what I have. So they're less sort of toxic, I think, so you don't have to use all the, solvents and stuff. So it's plastic palette knife. Well, I'm not sticking with a kitty. Oh, I love that. See, the sticker's always my favorite thing. And I love it because it's a little kitty. Canvas panels. 5x7. Looks like 3 of them. And then a stretch canvas. What's this, 8x10? 8x10. And some brushes. I like this one. These are Robert Simmons. So there's just like a small, is there a name for it? Just round, but it's really short. Tiny little brush. And an angled brush. Does this have an angle shader? These are nice. And this one is like probably a bristly one. That's more for oil paint as far as I know. Well, that's not too bad. Artist Loft, huh. It feels kind of plasticky, so it's not real like animal bristle or anything, so. All right, so that's my box. Now I gotta figure out what to do with it. I have not worked with oil for a very long time. I tried the oil sticks, but I wasn't all that successful with it, so we'll see. All right, so I'll have to come up with something, and I'll be back with what I come up with. Okay, and the video is going to be a few hours late today, but anyway, I finished, well, as much as I could, the painting. I did this, I don't know if you can see the whole thing. I based it off of a more colorful version, which looks like that. I don't know how much you can see. I had just had a very limited amount of colors to work with, I think, and I don't know. I kind of just wanted to get it done. I've had a kind of rough week, so there's the little guy. And I do have some oil paints, but they're not water mixable. They're slow drying. I should have got water mixable because these are nice, actually. Easy to clean up. They still dry. They take as long to dry as a regular oil paint, so this thing's going to be wet for about a week. But yeah, I like these. And they're Della-Rowney, which shocked me. So maybe it's just the ink I got that was bad. So these I used... No, I didn't use any of these. I used this. So I didn't use any of the brushes because I was trying to use smaller strokes. And that canvas really wasn't that big, so. But I'm sure I'll find a use for these elsewhere. But yeah, I used this, and then I used a smaller round. Yeah, I like them. I might use them again. Yeah, the ones I have are, oh, I do have some water mixable, damn it. Well, I got one. I have a Winsor & Newton, but it's cadmium yellow. It's just a little darker, so. Not that big a deal. This is water mixable too. I didn't look that, but most of the ones I have are these, and these are just fast drying. So I did use one of these. This is one of those oil sticks, and it doesn't mix with water, but I needed something dark. I was trying to get this dark brown, and I just couldn't get it with these colors. No matter what I did, they were just too light. So I took a little bit of the black and tried to get it in there, but they don't mix well, so I did what I could. So that was it. I do like them, and I do recommend them if you're into oil paints. I have a hard time with oil paints because I'm impatient and I just want stuff to dry, but they are nice if you want to do like nice blending. I didn't really do much blending. You can see there's a lot of strokes there that you can see the canvas underneath, but whatever. I used one, but I only used it to mix paint on. So I haven't used these yet, but it worked well with the mixed paint. So is that all that was in there? So yeah, that's all that was in there. I don't know if you can see it better. So, I don't know, next week might be, if I can get to work on my calendar page, maybe. I'm trying to think of, I wrote on the schedule some stuff. But yeah. So anyway, thanks for joining me, watching my video. I'll try to be on time next week. So I'll see you.